Hey, my name is Meg Jenkins. I work for Azure, and I'm here today making cookies. I'm using our Azure Hearthstone cookie dough. It comes frozen, and I'm going to slice it up and we're going to throw it in the oven and see what it looks like when it comes out. So I'm here with my daughter Chloe, and Chloe is going to cut the cookie dough for us. I think this is going to be a really quick and easy way for us to make some cookies at the end of the day when we just want a little treat. And we do like to make cookies, mix them up on our own, but it's also fun to have some that are just ready to go. And as you can see, Chloe's 10 and she's just doing a good job cutting it all, getting it ready for us. So Chloe's just cutting a few more and then shaping them just a little bit, tossing them over here on our cookie sheet. We've got the oven preheated at 350 degrees. Once she gets these all sliced up, we're just gonna throw them in and have a good treat for dessert tonight. All right, so we've got a tray full of the cookies. We've spaced them an inch or two apart, and Chloe's gonna take them over to the oven, which is preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna pop them in and we'll let you know how they turn out. All right, go ahead and put them in the oven, Chloe. All right, so our 7 minutes is up. Chloe's gonna open the oven and they look and they smell amazing. We did not dip them in sugar, which was one of the suggestions. We're gonna put them here. They look really good and they smell amazing. So we're gonna move them over to this little rack over here. I've got this cute little cookie spatula that I got from Azure. We're just gonna scoot them up a little bit. And we will let you know how they taste. Cookies are ready. Even with our milk, we got a plate full, and we have our official taste tester here. Go ahead and try. They look really good. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm about to. What do you think, Chloe?
They're so good.
Well, there you have it. Azure Hearthstone molasses cookies, frozen and great. Quick snack and delicious bakery good.
They're so good. I was not lying.